also for iterative one, and where basically this graph is telling us that if you want to purchase more, you have to spend more. On the other hand, if you look at this average price of one with respect to quantity, you'll see that there is a, so when you are targeting higher, actually the average price is going higher. That means you have to procure water units with higher price, in other words. But except for this point here, which we have to look again what's happening there. Because the demand is low, but we are seeing that average price is high. Anyway, so the interesting point and the main focus of our presentation was to see that if we could see that there is some learning here or not. What we basically see is that bidders are gradually, so the cutoff price and also more prominent in cutoff price, but we can see that it's going slightly upwards. What does it mean is that the bidders are trying to extract higher profit through rounds. And that's why we see that because for a given year or given period, for a given year the demand is fixed. So that means they are trying to extract some more profit gradually through the rounds. And that's why we see then an upward trend. So that means the bidders are learning from the auction market and to try to exploit it. So, and finally, a comparison with the baseline to show that when with the red lines, that means the bidders had only one chance to submit a bid for a year. And the blue lines is indicating when they can learn through the rounds. So we can see that there is a gap between this cut-off price, which is also another indication of how the bidders could learn from the market and try to exploit. So we have also identified some future work which we would like to do in the upcoming months, and so better linkage between sector and NGMS model and try to represent irrigator supply function better, and also try to ensure some heterogeneity of supply and to ensure competition, and to and also play with different objective functions for an environmental water trader subject to varying with their budget constraint, and also from the agent's perspective, risk preference as well as their learning and strategic behavior. Hopefully we will be able to answer some of the questions here with when the model is fully compatible and fully running. What is the relative market power of irrigators and environmental water trader, and how much they can influence the market outcomes, and also to see that what are the effectiveness of several auction designs to lead to an equitable outcome. Thank you.